5 free AI tools that will change the way you work. Think AI is just for techies? Think again. These 5 powerful free AI tools are helping everyday people work smarter, not harder. If you're feeling overwhelmed by new technology or wondering how to stay relevant in your job, this video is for you. No signups, no jargon, just real tools that save time, boost creativity, and make life easier. Let's start with a question. What if you had 5 new coworkers that worked for free, never slept, and helped you solve problems in seconds? That's what these tools offer. You don't need to be in tech, and you don't need a coding background. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to try something new. Tool number 1, ChatGPT Free. Found at chatgpt.com, ChatGPT is your writing assistant, brainstorming buddy, and productivity coach, all in one. It can help you write a cover letter, summarize a dense article, brainstorm ideas for your side hustle, or draft a professional email. Let's say you're updating your resume or writing LinkedIn posts. Just type, "Write a LinkedIn post announcing my new project on leadership," and watch it create a polished draft. Many professionals are using ChatGPT daily. A freelance writer might use it to draft headlines. A project manager might ask it to structure a meeting agenda. A parent might use it to create a weekly meal plan. Once you get used to asking questions, the possibilities open up fast. Tool number 2, Claude AI. Claude is another free chatbot, and it shines when you upload documents. You can drag in a PDF, like a training manual, research article, or even a legal agreement, and Claude will summarize it, pull out action items, or explain complicated sections in plain English. For example, if you're pivoting careers and need to understand a job description or new field, Claude can make that process less overwhelming. It's especially helpful if you're a mid-career professional trying to learn new skills or break into a different industry. Tool number 3, Canva's Magic Design. Go to canva.com and try the Magic Design feature. Just type something like YouTube thumbnail for a video on productivity or slide deck for an AI workshop, and Canva will instantly generate customizable templates. Even if you have 0 design experience, Magic Design can help you look professional. Small business owners use it for social media graphics, teachers use it for presentations, and creators use it for everything from ebooks to event flyers. Tool number 4, Perplexity.ai. This one is like a next-gen search engine. You type in a question, and Perplexity gives you a direct research-based answer with sources. It's ideal for career exploration, side project research, or learning something new without falling into a Google rabbit hole. Let's say you want to know, what are the top entry-level remote jobs in 2025? Or how do I build a portfolio with no experience? Perplexity will scan verified sources and summarize what matters. You get clarity fast. Tool number 5, Leonardo.ai. Leonardo is your creative AI for visuals. It lets you type a prompt, like an abstract painting of the future of work, or a peaceful office with glowing tech. And it generates images you can use in your content, presentations, or mood boards. Designers love it, but beginners can use it too. Want to make your resume stand out? Add a custom visual header. Need social content for your online store? Create visuals that match your brand vibe. The free plan gives you credits each day, and the results are surprisingly high quality. Let's recap. ChatGPT is your writing and ideas assistant. Claude simplifies complex documents. Canva gives you pro-level designs instantly. Perplexity is your fast research partner. Leonardo sparks your creative vision. And yes, all of them are free to use right now. The bottom line, you don't need to be a tech expert to get ahead with AI. These tools are helping people just like you, busy, mid-career, curious, maybe even a little overwhelmed, gain a creative and professional edge. Start small. Pick one tool, explore for 10 minutes. That's it. AI doesn't replace your work, it upgrades it. Subscribe to Human OS for more beginner-friendly tutorials and real-world AI tips. Coming up next, AI tools that make you money without quitting your day job. You won't want to miss it.